Let's explore a landmark case in taxation and business law, Larsen Toubro versus Union of India.
Larsen Toubro, commonly known as LT, is a multinational giant in engineering, construction, and technology. Founded in 1938 by two Danish engineers, Henning Holck Larsen and Søren Christian Toubro, the company played a crucial role in shaping India's infrastructure. Over the decades, LT has executed projects ranging from power plants to metro systems, making it a pillar of India's development. However, a major taxation dispute in the early 2000s put them in the middle of a legal battle that would redefine tax laws on works contracts. LT engaged in large-scale projects that involved both goods and services. However, the government sought to impose sales tax on the entire contract value, creating legal uncertainty. At the heart of the issue was the nature of the works contract, which included both material and service components. The legal question arose: should the entire contract be taxed as a sale of goods? LT was served with a tax notice demanding sales tax on the entire value of its contracts. The company contested this, arguing that the taxable portion should only include the value of goods transferred, not the service component. The dispute escalated, and the case reached the Supreme Court. The legal foundation of the case rested on Article 366, 29ab, of the Indian Constitution, which clarified that works contracts could be taxed separately for their goods component. However, the interpretation of this amendment remained ambiguous. The government argued that states had the authority to tax the entire contract, while LT maintained that only the goods component should be taxed. The Supreme Court had to decide whether the entire works contract could be subject to sales tax or if it should be divided into separate taxable components. After examining the nature of works contracts, the Supreme Court ruled that only the value of goods transferred in the contract should be subject to sales tax. The ruling ensured that taxation was fair and in line with constitutional provisions. This landmark decision prevented excessive taxation on services and provided clarity for businesses. It also influenced future taxation policies on works contracts, protecting industries engaged in large-scale infrastructure and construction projects. As the scales of justice tip between taxation and fairness, the landmark ruling in Larsen Toubro versus Union of India redefined the boundaries of tax law. This case not only protected businesses from excessive taxation but also reinforced the principle that fairness must always be at the core of legal and economic policies.